Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, I will show you how to update Google Drive for desktop. Updating Google Drive for desktop might seem like a minor task, but it plays a crucial role in ensuring your files sync properly and that you have access to the latest features and security updates. Keeping Google Drive up to date is essential for a smooth and efficient experience, and today, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Whether you're tech-savvy or a complete beginner, you'll find this walkthrough easy to follow. Let's dive into the process of manually updating Google Drive for desktop. To start, you'll need to visit the Google Drive download page. This is where you can find and download the latest version of the application. You can access this by simply typing Google Drive download page into your search engine or head directly to drive.google.com. If you're a frequent user and have this page bookmarked, that's even better as it will save you some time. Once you've landed on the page, look for the option that says Download Drive for Desktop. Clicking on this will start the download of the latest version. Keep in mind that the speed of this download depends largely on your internet connection. So, if you have a fast connection, this step should be over in just a few moments. After you've successfully downloaded the setup file, it's time to install it. If you are using a Windows PC, locate the file named Google Drive Setup.exe and double-click it to begin the installation. For those on a Mac, you'll be looking for a file called Google Drive.dmg. Open it, and you'll be guided through the installation with straightforward on-screen instructions. Follow these prompts, and you'll have the latest version installed in no time. Now, if you're someone who prefers not having to remember to update your applications manually, Google Drive offers a convenient feature for you. You can set Google Drive for desktop to handle updates automatically. To do this, open the Google Drive application on your computer. Once it's up and running, the application will automatically check for available updates. If it finds any, it will download and install them without needing any further input from you. This feature is particularly useful as it ensures you're always using the most up-to-date version with the latest features and security improvements, saving you time and effort. To summarize, there are two main ways to keep your Google Drive for desktop current. You can either manually download and install updates from the Google Drive download page, or you can let the app handle updates automatically. Whichever method you choose, you'll be able to enjoy an efficient and secure Google Drive experience. Keeping your software updated not only enhances performance, but also ensures you have access to all the newest features Google provides. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to update Google Drive for desktop. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.